You beat me here. I found Sakachi's family hiding nearby. They were scared, but unharmed. I sent them back to my farm for now. You kept your word.
Now will you tell me why you used the same weapon as the Ninetails?
We use them to climb up frozen terrain, to till the hardened soil.
But?
Life is not easy out here. Some of us learned to use kunai to defend ourselves. I would not be surprised to find kin among these shinobi.
That won't stop them from killing those you care for.
It is a cruel world we live in.
You are doing the right thing, protecting your home.
We still have 3 other farms to check. I have some new kunai if you need them. Be careful.
Promise the next traveler we see will be yours. Hey, you! You got lucky fighting the snake. No! Kill her, boys! Kill her! Avenge your brothers! Take her down! Meal time, boys! Eat well!
Poor dogs. Didn't know any better.